Hello everyone. Welcome to the demonstration of eBay integration with SAP Business One through SBO eConnect. First, let me give you a brief on our company, InSync Solutions. InSync is a software product development company, and we have an in-depth knowledge of Microsoft and SAP ERP platforms for SMEs, as well as we have an experience in dealing with open source e-commerce platforms like Magento, Zencart and PrestaShop. We are focused at providing value-added product and services in the e-commerce and ERP domain. We are Microsoft ISV Gold Partner and SAP Gold Solution Partner. InSync's background. Our flagship integration solution SBO eConnect is being used by more than 100 customers stretching across more than 30 countries across the globe. Also, InSync has a continuous focus on reseller channel and channel business. Currently, we have more than 45 reseller partners across all continents of the globe. So what are the benefits of an integrated system? Having an integrated system helps you to address your end-to-end business processes. Your marketplace store only looks after your online sales, payment processing and capturing shipping information for order fulfillment and listing of products as well. However, there are other business processes which are interrelated with online selling but are not addressed in eBay, like warehouse management, end-to-end order fulfillment, purchase planning, and even the accounting and financial aspects. So an integrated ERP is the obvious answer for all these processes. So what are the benefits? The benefits could be a rapid order fulfillment cycle, which would ensure customer satisfaction and would also help you gain positive ratings and reviews. It can also help you save cost by eliminating the need of manual data entry into the two platforms. So it can help you avoid data duplication as well. And most importantly, it will provide you the option to update inventory in both the platforms in real time. It will allow you to maintain stock properly in both the platforms and help you to avoid out of stock scenarios. Apart from these, it will also help you to make better purchase planning, and it would provide you a complete control over your financials and accounting aspects. So what is SBO eConnect eBay integration? SBO eConnect eBay integration can prove to be useful to the business owners who would like to start their online business without making a major investment and would prefer to use a marketplace like eBay as a quick and easy solution. On the other hand, eBay integration will also support those e-commerce business owners who are using eBay marketplace as an additional sales medium to sell their surplus products. Be it processing marketplace orders quickly, feeding marketplace with regular inventory updates, sending invoices generated in the back office to the marketplace customers, all these key requirements have been addressed in full scale by the core features of SBO eConnect eBay Connector. We have used eBay APIs, which are available by default for eBay, and third-party systems integration. We have also used the DI API on the SAP end. The integration has been developed using the best practices recommended by eBay as well as SAP. So now moving on to the standard integration touchpoints covered by our connector. The points are customers, items, stock, orders and invoice. I'll explain all of these one by one. So starting with customer integration. eBay has 1 million of users registered, and as this is a marketplace, so no separate store is available for different merchants. So following the basic rules, when a registered user purchases an item in eBay, that the details of those user with their primary address and shipping address will be synced back to the SAP Business One Business Partner Master data. If user addresses or other contact information are updated in the next purchase, those updates will sync back to SAP Business One as well. Order synchronization. Sales orders placed in eBay will sync back to SAP Business One as ERP sales orders. Active as well as completed orders will be downloaded to SAP Business One through SBO eConnect eBay Connector. As eBay supports bidding, so the item price differences will be shown as discount in the SAP Business One sales order, in the line level or in the document level. Next is item integration. ERP items defined in SAP Business One master data can be uploaded to eBay, and merchants can enlist items under their own listing. They can choose whether the item will be sold at the fixed price or they will allow bidding on that item, all from the SAP Business One ERP. Be it item price description, availability, selected image, all can be set from the SAP Business One site. Stock. managing inventory. SAP Business One inventory updates will be straight away updated in eBay under the listing of the seller's account. Inventories can be set for all warehouses as a combined inventory, or you can set a particular warehouse for shopping through eBay Marketplace. Invoice. Active type sales orders, that is the orders for which payment hasn't been made online, will be synced from eBay to SAP Business One and can be completed through SAP Business One itself by generating an AR invoice once payment is received. This AR invoice will be synced back from SAP Business One to eBay Marketplace and will update the buyer account's order status from active to complete, with option to the eBay buyer to see and download the invoice. So now I'll give you a brief demonstration of our eBay connector and demonstrate few of the integration touch points. So this is an item listed in eBay, and I'm currently registered in eBay, and I've logged in as a user, as an eBay registered customer. So as you can see, all the product details, the price of the product, the name of the product is showing over here, and all these details are also there present in the SAP Business One item master data, as it has been synced previously from SAP to eBay. So now I'll show you all these details in the item master data of SAP Business One as well. This is the item master data of the SAP Business One, containing the details of that very product that I just showed you in eBay. So this is the item name, Lumia, and this is the item number, which is considered as the SKU of the product in SAP Business One, but which is actually the USC number of the listed item in eBay. As you can see, the available amount, the available stock for this item is 10, shown over here in the available column, and it is available in the general warehouse. So now I'll place an order as a registered customer from the eBay, and I'll download that order to SAP Business One, and it will be shown in the sales order document in SAP Business One. And as I've said earlier, that eBay contains millions of users, and so it will not allow you to download all the user details, the details of all the users, to the SAP Business One. So we have designed a connector to download the details of the customer who has placed the order along with downloading the order. So when a person would be placing an order in eBay and would be selecting the shipping and billing address while placing the order, all the details of that particular customer would be downloaded to SAP Business One, to the business partner master data of SAP Business One along. So now I'll place an order as a registered eBay customer with this item. So I'll click on buy another, and I'll commit to buy. And so clicking on pay now, the order would be placed. So the order has been placed, and the order total is $400, and $1 has been added as the shipping. So now I'll download this order to the SAP Business One through our eBay connector, SBOE Connect, and I'll show you the order details in the sales order document of SAP Business One. So going back to SAP Business One, if I open the sales order, and if I open the last sales order, so this is the sales order that has been just downloaded from eBay. As you can see, the item number, the USC number of the listed item in eBay, the user as whom I just downloaded the order, the quantity of the product is 1, the unit price, and in case this item would have been listed in eBay as a bidding item, the difference in the price would have been shown over here in the document level. And in case multiple items would have been purchased all on bidding, then the differences would have been shown over here in the line level, and the individual differences, the individual discounts would have been shown in the line level in the individual rows over here. So while downloading the sales order, the details of the customer, that is the billing and shipping address of the customer, has also been downloaded to SAP Business One. So I'll just open the business partner master data, and I'll show you the details. So these are the details of the customer as whom I just placed an order in eBay. So this is the name of the user, this is telephone number, the email ID, and this is the shipping address of the user as there in eBay. So I'll show you all these details in eBay as well from where it got downloaded. So if I go to the account settings and the addresses, here you can see this is the address of the customer as being shown in the business partner master data of the customer. So is the street address, the country, the billing and the billing address. So this is how you can place an order in eBay, and you can download that order to SAP Business One as an active order. You can generate the invoice for that order and then again upload to eBay, and automatically an email would be sent and notification email would be sent to the customer regarding the invoice. So this is how the complete order cycle can be catered through our connector SBO eConnect. So for more information you can visit our website insync.co.in. Also you can drop us a mail at cop@insync.co.in, or for a quick word you can call us directly in any of these 3 numbers. Hope the video was informative for you, so you can follow us on Twitter for regular updates. Thanks for your time.